How to create a folder in Files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. The Files app is a file management tool that allows users to view, organize, and share files, including those stored locally on the device, in iCloud Drive, and in other cloud services. It provides a central location for accessing and managing various file types like documents, images, videos, and more. Once you're here, go to On My iPhone. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Select New Folder. As you can see, you have successfully created a new folder over here. Now, edit and change the name of the folder if you want. Following these steps, you can easily create a folder in Files on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.